Blackheads are a common problem for every one of us out there. The everyday pollution and unhealthy lifestyle habits we lead can affect our skin with the production or absorption of dirt in our skin. This dirt and pollution can cause the buildup of blackheads on our face skin. The look of having blackheads on the skin makes our skin look dull and old, but don't worry, as there are plenty of natural ways to get rid of blackheads and make your skin look healthy. Now, before we discuss the best ways to get rid of blackheads, let's find out why we shouldn't torture our skin with baking soda. According to health experts, baking soda might be beneficial for removing blackheads, but it also welcomes more skin issues. Studies show that while baking soda dries out the blackheads from our skin and removes them, it also dries our skin overall. Now, dry skin is another one of the most common skin issues people face in today's era. So what's the point of spending thousands of dollars to buy moisturizers and skin treatments when you're continuing to practice the root cause of your skin issues? Let's say goodbye to the use of baking soda hacks for blackheads and sit tight, because we're about to reveal more ways to achieve the same blackhead-free skin with you right now. 3. Citric acid. The health benefits of citric acid are numerous, and we all know them. But when it comes to skincare, the same citric acid is also very widely found in plenty of cosmetic and skincare products. Using citric acid can help neutralize your skin's pH level. Besides that, citric acid is also very effective in drying out the oil and dead skin cells in our skin. We are sure you've come across skincare remedies that involve the usage of skincare acids. Like the time you use citric acid to get rid of the dark patches on your skin or brighten your skin, remember? Most people might not consider these remedies effective, since such home remedies don't work in the first attempt. However, the usage of citric acid is highly beneficial for the skin in such ways. So if you want smoother skin with no clogged pores, usage of citric acid can be the key for you. And if you're already planning to buy skincare products, why not give citric acid products a try? 2. Deep cleansing the skin. The need for deep cleansing our skin is undoubtedly huge and highly reliable. Even if you wash your face every day, the outdoor pollution and unhygienic environment can affect and absorb in our skin. Apart from that, there are plenty of harmful substances that can affect your skin indoors too. And if not that, then one can surely not ignore that makeup also tends to stay stored in our skin if it isn't removed properly. So while you can't stop using makeup or going out just because your skin is being affected, it is always possible to invest in deep skin cleansing products. But wait, what's the role of blackheads in their removal here? Well, as the name suggests, deep cleansing face masks mainly focus on cleansing our skin deeply. So while blackheads are the pollution and harmful particles that dissolve in our skin, using these masks can deeply clean and clear our skin. Deep cleansing face masks are mainly used for blackhead-prone skin. Hence, using these masks will surely give you blackhead-free skin overall. 1. Oil cleansing. Another great way to get rid of those blackheads from your skin is to try the oil cleaning method. With this method, you can not only clear your skin from blackheads, but it's also effective for oily skin. Yes, you heard that right. If you haven't heard or tried an oil cleansing method, then you've surely been missing a lot of the benefits of this method. Although we can head to the fancy advertising products, but there's no say in how effective they will serve your skin. So why take the risk at all? It's not as if you have plenty of chances to experiment with your skin and still have it back in its real look. However, before you start looking for a cleansing oil as the go-to magician for clearing your skin from oil and blackheads, make sure you know how to use the cleansing oil. Since cleansing oil mainly focuses on removing excessive oil or makeup from your skin, it will effectively clear your skin. But for blackheads, you will still need to use your daily cleanser. It's more like a combination of products, as the cleansing oil makes a basic cleanser work more effectively on our skin. So once you get the right cleansing oil and use the best face cleanser, consequently after the cleansing oil, you will see how this combination product usage is magical for you. Don't believe me? Fine, you can try it out for yourself and see how your blackhead-prone skin is all clear and glowing, just how you dreamed of it to be. Now it's time you value your skin more than your blackhead issue and use the right ways to get rid of those blackheads. Believe me, they will go away. Don't rush towards making the wrong decision. Instead, use these methods we mentioned to keep your blackhead-prone skin clear and beautiful. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found this video informative and useful. We look forward to having you join us for more health and beauty-focused content on our channel. To ensure that you don't miss our next upload, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you may continue to join us as we explore some helpful health-related topics. Lastly, we'd like to wish you all the success, happiness, and joy in life.